Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in the last video, we have done with set up a ESP8266 and also write a demo script with a simple blink LED with 3 LEDs. So I'm going to open Arduino. So and here is an example we have done how to blink with 3 LEDs on and off through loop function. So today, now we will connect the ESP into Internet and also get data from Firebase. So let's get started. I'm going to set up a Firebase account. Go to firebase.google.com. Now I'm going to control and create a new project. Now, light control. Okay, so we have it in database. And here is the database URL we need to use to get the data info. And also, and Firebase have a library in Arduino and GitHub as Firebase. So github.com Firebase and Firebase Arduino. Now I'm going to download this. Save. Okay, I'm open this package and copy that. And now we how to find a Arduino library folder by in browse. So we have here, and this is a path to Arduino library. Now I'm going to that folder by and done and document and Arduino here. So this is a path and library and path here. Okay, so we have a Firebase library set up. Now I'm going to just remove or here and also remove here as well. So keep set up pin mode only. And now we know how to connect the Wi-Fi with ESP. So we also here in KISS and include library and Wi-Fi. Okay, here Wi-Fi here, or simply you can find the document by here GitHub and Arduino GitHub, sorry, GitHub Arduino GitHub ESP8266 Arduino and here. Now we can go into library folder and check it in the ESP Wi-Fi. So they have made an example here. Simply you can check it here. So now I'm going to write script here by through ESP this Wi-Fi .is. Okay, and also we need to include the Firebase Arduino here. We have a Firebase and document in Arduino library in Arduino Firebase here. So we also have a set example here. I'm just open an example in sorry, open other, and okay, I'm supply. Open this. So in here is the example. Now you can copy that. Okay, copy that and paste here. Now I can hit the verify to make sure everything correct. Okay, so everything correctly. So now let's back to the Firebase control. Now we have the Firebase database URL and copy that. And now I'm going to define and host. Now Firebase URL. Okay, we don't have a slash. And define a authentication code by our code. So how do you get it? Inside a database. Now I think in project setting and service account. And also in database secrets. Now click here and show this and copy that code over here. Now we need to change them define Wi-Fi name. Now here is my Wi-Fi name, home, and also define Wi-Fi path. Now here is my Wi-Fi password. Okay, so now I'm going to make a new function. Set up Wi-Fi. So we have a Wi-Fi dot begin now with the Wi-Fi name and also Wi-Fi password here. Now I'm going to bring to the console to easy to print live with hey, I'm connecting. Okay, so why now Wi-Fi status. Wi-Fi start if not connect. Now serial dot bring live yes, and delay with to 500 milliseconds. And if we connect, should copy that for quick bring and share brains now. Hey, I'm connected. Now we can Wi-Fi and my IP address. So we can check by Wi-Fi dot local IP. So okay, now we have done this Wi-Fi setup. And after that, sets up. I'm calling to set up Wi-Fi. And this is the function we have done here. Now I'm going to set up a Firebase server. I'm writing a new function here by setup Firebase. So we have Firebase.begin. Begin, that is the URL we have the Firebase begin and authenticate code here. Copy that for real quick. Okay, so we have done that. Now I'm calling setup. Sorry, we have a voice. Return nothing. Okay, set up Firebase, and I'm also, and after the ESP connected to Wi-Fi, so after that I'm calling to connect setup Wi-Fi. Sorry, connect to the Firebase Google server. And now I'm going to get back a Firebase controller and as a new database. So I'm going to add a new database. For example, my device ID now will be 123. This is, for example, now is my ID of a device. And we have a state. State now will be we set state on or off. State of okay, state. Device state. Okay, state now will be so we have a state ID of the device state, and now state now will be 0, 1 for example, and will be 2 and S. So and also let 3 let 2 which state will be 4, and let 3 now will be 2. Just so. And here will be chip ID. And how we get chip ID? In the ESP we can get by a string. Just chip ID will be equal get chip ID. ESP.get chip ID. I'm not sure. Get chip ID. I think that. So let me verify. Okay, get chip ID. Gets chip ID. Not sure. Okay. ESP8266. We have a Arduino. The function chip ID now in ESP, I think sample chip ID. Okay, so we will use chip ID function in later video. For now, I'm just to define chip ID. For example, now will be 1, 2, 3. For string chip ID now will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's just a string. And so get back to Firebase control. We have a chip ID 1, 2, 3 and state. Now we will store everything in the set of the last 1 and last 2 and last 3. So we can able to get the data here and JSON, and chip ID will be 123 dot JSON. Permission denied. That means we can't access without authentication, without login. So how we enable that? In the console we have a rule, and if I change to read equal to and public, that means we allow everyone read our data. So we can get this. And for security, we don't allow that. It's a for setting, we enable it to easy to see. However, in the production, I recommend allow only login user and public. So now we can see we can't access our data. Okay. So get back to Arduino and write a function how we get state. So in setup we have a setup Firebase, and now in the loop function I'm going to write a function and voice gets data. And also in loop function I'm calling the function gets data. Okay. So in get data function, I'm going to write Firebase object will be equal Firebase.get. Now the URL will be 1, 3 and state. Okay, so we have a 1, 2, 3. Now will be chip ID we define here, and yes, I'm going to string pass equal chip ID plus with state. Okay, so here we pass here, and now I'm going to verify if everything correct. Okay, look good. So now how do I get states of here of last 1, last 2, last 3? Okay, so bool, this is the Boolean value, last 1 equal an object here to guess boo and sorry, we get the value of 001 and boo let to equal object dot get same, and I think I copy that for let 3. Okay, so now I'm going to bring it to control for easy to see. Now serial dot print lines. Last one now will be copy that will be last one. Serial dot string and for easy to see. Let 2 and copy that for let 3 as well. 3. Now I have a connection with ESP to my computer, and I'm going to upload the code to ESP. Now before upload, I need to verify if I write correctly. Okay, something good. And now I'm going to upload. Okay, uploads completely. Now I'm going to open serial monitor. You can see last 1, let 2. So let 1 now is 1, that means 2. Let 2 will be 4. Let 3 will be 2. We have a let 2 will be 0, exactly. And let 3, 1, that means 2. Okay, so I'm going to change this. Everything now will be 4. All the let will be 4. Now you can see let 1 4, 0, let 2 0, let 3 0. Okay. So now how we turn on the LED or turn off the LED? Okay, so we have a now. I'm going to write this function digital rise. If let 1 will be, if we have a variable digital output here, by let 1 now will be to write let 1. I'm going to make a comment here, write output high or low to turn on or off. Let now let 1 will be 0. Will be output of let 1. We have here let 1. And I'm going to copy that for quick. And let 2 will be let 2. And let 3. And 1 2. Okay, battery value here. So I'm going to upload this now. Okay, upload complete. Now I'm going into console. So just 1 minute, I'm going to show you in my phone with screenshots how to device work. Okay, so I have my phone here. I'm going to show you in another video. So here is in ESP with connect to 3 LEDs. With 3 LEDs, 1, 2, and now on server we have all LED now 4. That means they are on off. So now I'm going to make it browser smaller. Okay, so make browser smaller, you can see. And I'm going to change the last one will be 2. That means the last one will be on now. 2 and enter. Hey, you can see? You see that? And also let 2 will be 2 and enter now. Okay, let 2 now on, and also let 3 hey on. Well, now I'm going to change up by set to 4. Sorry. For now. Okay, select 3 now up, and select 1 up. Okay, let 1 up, and the same thing for let 2, 4. Okay. So see you in next video. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.